In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw money from MoonPay. So if you need to withdraw funds from MoonPay, here's how you can do it safely. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already logged into your MoonPay with your right credentials. And once you've logged in, you will just have to look for the withdraw option. And by the way, you should make sure that you've already created your profile, you've already verified your account, and activated your portfolio so that you would be able to actually see this feature. So once you see withdraw, you will just have to select it, and then you will select your fiat currency and then enter your bank account details. And then after that, you will just have to enter the amount and then review the fees and confirm the withdrawal and complete any verification that's prompted. And funds should arrive in about 1 to 3 business days. It really depends on your bank in your country. And yeah, that's basically just it. And make sure to always double check your bank details so that you will be able to avoid any delays or errors. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.